Hello chefs, today we are making jeera rice, for which we need, I've taken half kg batch of basmati rice. It's a long grain Indian rice, and I've soaked it for half an hour. About half an hour, 45 minutes we need to soak it. As you can see, the basmati rice has been soaked for more than 40 minutes, for about 40-45 minutes. It has been nicely soaked, and we're going to strain it. Now we have washed and strained the rice. We take a heavy base pan and add about 50 to 60 ml of ghee. That's clarified butter. We heat the ghee properly, not too hot to burn it. Now we add about 15 to 20 grams of cumin seeds to the ghee and saute it until it crackles. Once the cumin seeds or the jeera, whole jeera, has been crackled, we add about 1 liter of water. We add about a liter of water. You add around 1 tablespoon of salt. Add the rice when the water boils. Give it a light stir, not a hard one so that the rice breaks. For about 500 grams of rice, you take around 1100 ml to 1200 ml of water. As you can see, the water is boiling with the rice. Once it vigorously boils, you seal the container and pressure cook it. As you can see, almost 50% of water has been gone, and now we seal the container with a tin foil and the pressure cooker. Give this pot a good old 2-3 layers of tin foil so that it seals completely. This is how you seal the container, seal the pot. Make sure no steam releases outside the pot. It's been almost 15 minutes now that we have pressure cooked the rice on a very slow flame. Now we're going to open it. As you can see, the rice has been completely cooked, but it's not broken, it's not mushy, it's not too dry. The whole cumin seeds have been well mixed up. They have not completely cooked, they have not disintegrated. The color is white as well and not browned by the cumin seeds. As you can see, the rice has been cooked properly. It doesn't become mushy. It is nicely breaking.
लगेगा ना पापा का लगेगा।
As you can see, the rice is see, this is how the rice is supposed to be cooked. Every grain should fall off loosely. This should not be sticky and mushy. Once this rice cools down, it will be perfectly cooked.